So if you're working on a pipeline and you want to get inches per minute, it could be either wire feed speed or it could be travel speed on the hot pass field or hot fields. Here go the simplest way to do so you won't be in nobody's way. Just say, for instance, you got a 20-inch piece of pipe. So you got a 20-inch piece of pipe. So you want to know the circumference of this 20-inch piece of pipe. So you go 20 times 3.14 and you get 62.8. So from top to bottom, it's like 31 inches. Okay, so I know it's 31 inches. So let's get some arc time. So here go how you figure out inches per minute. So you go 60 divided by time in seconds. Remember, time in seconds. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 120 seconds. Then you times your distance. So I got right here, like 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 minute and 15 seconds is 75. And you see it going in increments of 15. So when you get to 3 minutes, we know it's 60 seconds in a minute. So 3 times 60 is 180 seconds. So let's do a simple formula. Let's say, for instance, he's running, let's just say he's running a field pass. So here we go. So I'm sitting on a hill. I don't want to get in the ditch. I know it's 31 inches to get to the bottom. So I'm doing some arc time. So I start my stopwatch. He started welding and he welded for a little while. Then he stopped. Then I stopped my watch. Then once he started back up, he started back again. So he may have 3 starts on here. So I stopped my watch. I only deal with arc time. So for him to get from the top to bottom, it took 1 minute and 56 seconds. So I know that 1 minute and 56 seconds is 116 seconds. So we got, you good with that? So we take 60 divided by 116 times 31. So 60 divided by 116 is 0.52. 0.52 times 31 is 16.12 inches per minute. So that's how simple it is. So say, for instance, if a person was traveling, it took them 2 minutes to get there, I would say 60 divided by 120, which would give me 0.50. So 0.50 times, let's just say 30. And so it won't make the formula easy. So we'll change that to 30 just to do the formula. So 0.50 times 30 would be 15 inches a minute because it took him longer to get to the bottom. Okay, let's do another formula. Let's make it easy. Let's say he's running a hot pass. He's moving. So let's say he's running it took him 1 minute to go from top to bottom. 1 minute to go to top to bottom. So if we do 1 minute, we know that's 60 seconds. So we go 60 divided by 60 times 31. So 60 divided by 60 is 1 times 31 equals 31 inches per minute. And that's it. That's how you do it. Let's say, for instance, you want to get in the way. I'm gonna show you something else you can do. Just mark like 6 inches, or you could do 10 inches. We're gonna do 6 inches. And just say, for instance, this person started welding and it took them 60 seconds or 1 minute to travel those 6 inches. So from there to the other point, it took them 1 minute, 60 seconds. So the only thing you have to do on this instant is just go 60 divided by 60 equals 1. So 1 times 6 equals 6 inches a minute.